Here AB is a line segment and P is its midpoint. D and E are points on the same side of AB, such that BAD and ABE are equal, and EPA and DPB are equal. This is the given component, and we are supposed to prove the congruency, that DAP congruent EBP. Now we are saved from the headache of identifying the vertices. D corresponds to E, A corresponds to B, and P corresponds to P. This is corresponding vertices. It has been given that angle BAD is equal to ABE, which is for triangle DAP, BAD can be also shown as PAD. So PAD is equal to ABE can also be shown as PBE, and that is what we need for our congruency of the triangles. So I have mentioned the same. And then the other part is P is midpoint, therefore this is equal to this. AP is equal to I'm supposed to write it this way, not AP equals to PB. That will be wrong again. And this is the side, this is the angle. Now coming to the critical proof that we have to dig out of this, EPA equals DPB has been given, and EPA and DPB have this common angle EPD. Therefore adding EPD to this and to this will give us angle APD. This will give angle APD, and this will give angle, again adding the same thing, it will give EPB. And I have to check if I have done my vertices right. APD and BPE ought to be written here, BPE. These are the angles. Now again here I am applying Euclid's axiom number 2. If equals are added to equals, then the wholes are equal. Therefore angle APD equals angle BPE. This is another angle, and by ASA congruency, triangle DAP is congruent EBP, and AD equals BE is through CPCT.